Let us solve this together. It says x squared minus 9, or taking the square root of, plus 1 is equal to x. Okay, how do we solve this? Now, the first thing to do, you have to be careful so you isolate this man. So we want to isolate square root of x squared minus 9. Okay, so this means that we'll push this one to this other side, which means that 1 becomes what? Minus 1. Okay, so that on the left hand side we have this alone, on the right hand side we have this. Now, in order to eliminate this square root sign, we can try to take the square of both sides. Okay, squaring a square root will eliminate the square root, so that what we have left is x squared minus 9. Okay, and this is equal to, now, x raised to power 2 is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, times negative 1 is negative 2x, negative 1 squared is plus 1. Okay, now what we have from here is minus 9 to be equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now rearranging this, we have 2x to be equal to 1 plus 9. 2x is equal to 10, and finally x is equal to 5. Alright, so 5 is the answer to this question.